Hello friends, how to extend the life of the fuel systems. In addition to the constant, the recommended by each outmark diagnosis of the fuel systems, during periods maintains regular replacement of the fuel filter in mandatory. Diagnosis of their condition is usually carried out when replacing engine oil. However, it often happens that filter replacement may be required earlier. You can notice problems in the timely manner with the regular inspection of the systems, at least one a year, especially when it comes to mechanics older than their years. Don't neglect the service of flashing and cleaning the fuel systems, which is available in almost every service. When with low mileage, deposit and dirt can appear in the fuel systems, which enters the tank along with low quality fuel and ultimately lead to disruption of the fuel supply and increasing consumption. Regular increases of consumption and assembling will help to notice mechanical damage in time. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.